Yes, angels, are you enjoying your holidays? These type of holidays are not enjoyable, is it? I can understand because everybody is bounded in boundary walls of your own houses because of this pandemic COVID 19. But we don't have any choice. We are supposed to stay inside the houses to save us, to save the society, to save the country, to save the lives of all. Of course, it's very hard time, and so many precautions are to be taken by everybody. You should listen your parents, government instructions. Don't be panic. Okay, there is no need to be worried if some symptoms raise. What is to be worried? You just listen government instructions, follow instructions, and avoid believing in rumors because some antisocial activities are also going on. All of us should avoid those. Dear students, it is time to go through the syllabus to do study. Of course, we all are sitting inside our homes, but still, study is going on. Teachers are putting their hard efforts, and of course, you all are also doing well. On behalf of Angels Public School, I thank your parents for their support regarding your studies. And one thing that now, if you need any kind of help from office, help in the sense if you have any kind of documents which you are supposed to deposit, you can visit because office is open as per government instructions from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on all working days. Regarding your study, videos, audios, specs, and classroom teaching in one way that is also approaching to you for your clearing your doubts. First thing is you must purchase your books because books will be very helpful. And second thing, do your work on time. Never avoid ki it doesn't matter, ma'am is not seeing us, we do our work or not. It is not so. Everybody is watching. Your parents are always contacted regarding that. And now it is requirement of the time is that we should have some interactive classes also. Twice I am telling you my own experience. I just tried to connect 10th and 12th standard students on Zoom app, but very few students approached there. It is my humble request to you all. You just be there because your doubts can be cleared there only. You might be having some doubts or some points which are not clear to you. Of course, teachers are doing their best, but still, doubts can be there. And those can be eradicated only when you raise your doubts. You be helping hand of your parents. Enjoy this time. This is a very critical time, but we are gaining through. How we are gaining? We are learning new methods of teaching, learning, using so many apps which we never thought about those. So all of us are becoming techno friendly, is it? One thing is required because of study. This is you can say need of the hour that we are supposed to use mobiles, and if laptop you are having at your home, then that one for your study. But avoid mobile phone other than your study work because it causes a lot of harm to you, your eyes, our eyes. and dryness can be there. So avoid unnecessary use of mobile. You just go through study, and if you have any doubt, you contact to concerned subject in charge only, and that is very easy. From which number the work is approaching to you in group, you just dial that number, ask the teacher. Of course, teacher will help you a lot. And this time is of course very critical. We are supposed to stay safe, always wash your hands properly. Soap, whenever you are at home, use soap. Sanitizer never use at home. On the way, if you are there or traveling, if it is required, your parents are going, then sanitize with sanitizer. Okay. And one thing more is there, that now once again interactive classes will be there, and you, once, twice, thrice, depends upon the speed of network. Clear? And then all of you are supposed to connect them for interactive classes and collect your doubts, so that those can be removed. Lot of things are to be discussed with you. We will do the same in next meeting. Till then, stay safe, stay updated, stay home, stay safe, stay updated. Thank you.